A lot of times when people get that diagnosis of cancer, there's a sense of immediacy by the physician to let's start attacking this right away. Is that often, and every case is different, so I understand that, but is that the right way to attack this, or is it sometimes better to take a step back and maybe evaluate options instead of going into do the procedure, next week right away?
Mm-hmm. Well, I think that it is a very rare circumstance that people don't have a little time to think about it before they jump into whatever treatment's being advised. And I think, too, that in the situations, the uncommon situations where there is a sense of urgency, I think it's pretty obvious. Like, for instance, if somebody's got a tumor that's making it hard for them to breathe, they need to move. But in the vast majority of cases, you can ask a few questions before you get going. And I think that part of the ideal would be that people do ask a lot of questions and ask the tough questions, because sometimes, for example, I'll see patients where they said that their oncologist said to them, if you don't do the chemo immediately, you're going to be dead in 2 months. Well, the catch is that with the diagnosis they had, if they did do the chemo, they'd probably be gone in 3 months or 4 months. In other words, they need to ask a few more questions, because the implication is you're going to, first of all, this dramatic statement by the oncologist, the implication is that what they're going to do is make a vast difference, and you need to ask a few questions. Like, okay, so if I do the chemotherapy, then what's going to happen? And I do believe that most oncologists, they are using the tool that they have to help people, they think, and that's their goal. I'm not saying that they're bad people, but they do sometimes have a tendency to kind of push people, sometimes making statements that may or may not be particularly accurate.
Hi, and thanks for watching this video. If you like that video and you like our channel, the best thing you can do is support us with a Patreon donation. You can find the link here on the right. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, that link here on the right. While you're at it, be sure to check out some of our more recent videos as well. You can find those right below. Thanks again for watching.